Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing my take on glittery black smoky eye look, which will be both eye-catching and radiant. Instead of widely popular brown to purple or creamy transitions, I have chosen to go with yellow and black. I've always been a fan of this color palette and I'm positive you'd love it as well. Whether you're wearing traditional wear or western wear, in both the category this combination is awesome. I had primed my lids with NYX primer, and if you want brighter and more pigmented color, you can apply concealer as base on your lids. For this look, I'm using Beauty Glaze palette. It is kind of a James Charles palette dupe. I'm assuming that the colors I've used are pretty straightforward and can be easily picked from any of your assorted palettes. Blending, blending, blending. Smoky eyes are easier to create than any other looks. As you can see, I just went ahead and started laying black eyeshadow under my crease without a worry in the world. This isn't pitch black, which works for me as the glitter will make up for it. MAC glitter has some pigment in it. Lightly blending between the eye socket. Don't press too hard or there will be harsh lines. You want it to look well blended. For glitter, I'm using my finger. For better coverage, you may use a brush. This is MAC Galactic Glitter in black. Unlike MAC 3D black glitter, this doesn't have holographic shimmer, just plain reflective sparkle. Lightly packing in the glitter. I think a heavier layer would have looked better. Note for the next time and for you guys. The particle, unlike NYX, are chunkier and you should be careful not to get this in the eye. Can definitely cause abrasion, thus serious injury. Ouch, imagining it is killing me. For inner corner, I'm using Lancome Dual Finish Highlighter. You can work with any shimmery golden shade at your disposal. Here's the final look. It turned out pretty well. Okay, I'll be all up in your face with them looks. Do appreciate the glow. All the products used for creating the natural glowy face finish will be in the description box below. I'm obsessed with Black Smokey Eye and I would definitely be creating more of these. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe for similar content. Thank you.